start it off with Trace Reeves now turning the big number 10. Welcome to Double Digits, my friend, with happy birthday wishes from Mom, Travis, and your brothers. Trace is in Quapaw.
Right, Mia Courtney, welcome to the teenage years, Mia, with love from Mom, Dylan, and Juju.
I like that hat. Yeah, I like that hat. I'm a big fan of those hats when it gets this time of year. Nate Cook is celebrating an 18th birthday and a little Columbus Titan pride out there on the mound. I think he's on the mound. Nate, if you're not a pitcher, forgive me. We were just talking about pitchers. Anyway, Nate, best of luck to you on a successful season as he celebrates in Columbus, and know this comes with love from Mom and Dad.
All right, happy birthday, Nate. And happy birthday with love from the entire family to Gail Irwin, who's now 65 years old. Looking great there, Gail, in Carthage.
Oh, we got a special one here in Pittsburgh. It's our good friend Rose Kern. Good morning, Miss Rose. Always love it when I've actually been, you know, hey, Tanya, have you run into her? I have actually been able to run into her now that we're kind of getting out and about a little bit. And Rose, you know we love you, and a very, very happy birthday to you. She is celebrating her 93rd birthday in Pittsburgh.
Wow. Happy birthday, Miss Rose. And a happy birthday to Linda Garrison. Yeah, looking good there. Linda is in Columbus.
Happy birthday, Linda. Jan Allen celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Jan, a very happy birthday to you. And Mike Riebel chiming in from Iola. Mike, have a wonderful birthday celebration. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this February the 16th. That's where you can send them in to birthdays@koamtv.com. Or if you'd like to jump on the website, just go to koamnewsnow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Coming up when we